The new 2022 Sierra Denali Ultimate. Yes, Denali Ultimate. A remarkable evolution of first-class luxury and unrivaled technology, including Super Cruise, which allows you to drive hands-free on compatible roads. But more on that later. Building on the strength of Denali, this is the first ever Denali Ultimate trim offered by GMC. The team at GMC studies truck customers like I study my character going into a new show. They learn many customers simply want the best of the best, the ultimate reward for their work and achievements in life. This truck is all that and more. Let's check it out. Now, this is a commanding presence. On the road, you will soon see this signature Denali grille and unique badging with exclusive dark chrome. It's a strong look and has some serious rear view mirror street cred. Plus, these sharp dual LED projection headlamps are integrated with the grille to give the front of the truck a bold and wide appearance. Their consistent bright white color is precision crafted design at its best. And below, the fog lamps are discreetly integrated, allowing the grille and headlamps to be the stars of the show. Now, let's talk power. Under the hood, the Denali Ultimate features a standard 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers an impressive 420 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. Power and torque, which gets sent straight to the truck's large 22-inch wheels. And at the rear, there are two incredible GMC innovations that came directly from listening to what customers want and need in a truck. It starts with the world's first six-way multi-pro tailgate, which makes loading and hauling gear much easier. It is the most innovative pickup tailgate ever and set the standard for what a tailgate should be. It features 6 functions and positions that offer enhanced second-tier loading, load-stop solutions, a standing workstation, and easier access to items in the box. There's also Carbon Pro, the industry-first use of carbon fiber composite in a pickup bed, which delivers exceptional dent, scratch, and corrosion resistance when the work gets tough and the job needs to get done. And it offers more cargo bed volume than any other competitor. Let's check out the exclusive Denali Ultimate interior. I can't wait to show how the design team at GMC is taking craftsmanship and attention to detail to the next level. First, there's extensive use of genuine high-quality materials. There's full-grain leather throughout the interior. It's soft to the touch and amazingly comfortable, all while retaining the durability truck customers expect. There's also authentic, open-pore natural Paldeo wood. Its darkened finish adds a luxurious touch, and the unique grain ensures no two interiors are the same. Now look up. That's a premium suede headliner. All this attention to detail is exquisitely crafted first-class luxury. Wherever you look, there are unique visual details GMC customers will really appreciate. A distinctive design signature of the Sierra Denali Ultimate, both inside and out, gives a nod to the highest peak in North America, Mount Denali. A topographical map and the geographic coordinates of the mountain are featured in really cool places. It's laser etched into the Paldeo open-pore wood grain on the passenger side, and it's also on the front and back of the seats. The Denali Ultimate even features 16-way adjustable power massaging front seats. Let me tell you, the Kenmore Air folks really fell in love with them after a long day. And as I sit behind the wheel, it's like there's a whole command center in front of me. Displays and controls are so easy to see and use, and premium materials and surfaces are all around. The new Sierra also boasts unrivaled technology, starting with massive customizable screens. And as a fun touch, when you start up the Denali Ultimate, there's this awesome Mount Denali animation. The driver instrumentation cluster features a large 12.3-inch display, which is incredibly configurable. And for people who prefer a minimalist approach, they can keep it simple. But for people like me who like to keep tabs on a wide range of information, they can easily reconfigure the cluster to display what they want to see. And not to overshadow that 12.3-inch display, but believe it or not, there's an even bigger one over here. It's 13.4 inches and features a theme designed specifically for GMC, as well as custom welcome animations for AT4, Denali, and Denali Ultimate. And beyond the size of the screen, it's also extremely customizable. For example, you can choose to have full screen navigation, or you can have two areas of information to display navigation and trailering or entertainment. Setting up display and icons is easy, and they can be organized to feature the ones you use the most, just like I do on my smartphone. It's all about letting people personalize their experience and have the exact information they need when and where they need it. Now, let's talk connectivity. The Sierra is fully compatible wirelessly with both Apple and Android mobile devices. Android Auto or Apple CarPlay lets you easily control many of your smartphone apps all on the center touchscreen. But wait, there's more. GMC is leading the way by integrating Google built-in compatibility on the Hummer EV, Yukon, and now Sierra. The GMC and Google teams work together to seamlessly integrate the power of Google with the distinctive design of the Sierra, including Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Google Play Store. This allows customers to bring their existing digital life with them wherever they go. Some of the features and functionalities you know and love on your phone are now available directly in the vehicle. With GMC with Google built-in compatibility on the new Sierra, you can download some of your favorite apps right to the infotainment system, all without needing access to your phone. So wherever you go, your favorite podcast is always there to enjoy. The Denali Ultimate also features an advanced 15-inch diagonal multicolor heads-up display. So let's do some math. The 12.3-inch driver information center, the 13.4-inch center touchscreen, and the 15-inch heads-up display. That adds up to a whopping 40.7 inches of screens for the driver, and I just did that math right now. And again, best of all, each of these screens is easy to use and incredibly customizable, perfect examples of the ultimate personal reward. Your music comes to life with the 12-speaker Bose premium surround audio system with etched stainless speaker grilles on the inside of the doors. It's got this amazing center point technology, which analyzes the stereo signal and converts it into multiple channels. The result? A surround sound concert-like listening experience for everyone inside. What's more, the Bose premium audio system also automatically reduces background noise to deliver exceptional clarity. Now, this is where the tech on the truck truly stands out. Super Cruise, the industry's first true hands-free driver assistance technology on compatible roads. No other competitor truck on the market today offers this type of true hands-free technology on so many miles of compatible roads. Super Cruise now adds an automatic lane change feature to provide drivers with even greater levels of hands-free driving convenience on over 200,000 miles of compatible roads in the US and Canada. Sierra will offer something no other competitor has: true hands-free driving while pulling a trailer. That's right, Super Cruise also works when towing. This is a home run, especially for customers like the folks at Kenmore who transport their invaluable restoration projects long distances all over the Pacific Northwest. It's also perfect for taking along outdoor toys like boats, ATVs, and campers. The truck's trailer side blind zone alert system even accounts for the length of a trailer to help alleviate driver stress. 60% of Sierra pickup truck owners tow regularly, and now with Super Cruise, they can enjoy the convenience of hands-free driving on compatible roads when they do. It's all about helping them arrive more relaxed, ready to take on new adventures. And to find routes that let them get the most out of Super Cruise, Google built in with Google Maps recommends and highlights suggested Super Cruise-enabled routes. Sometimes you just need to get away from it all. Like Chad Brown, a decorated U.S. Navy veteran who founded Soul River, a nonprofit organization that brings together veterans and at-risk inner-city youth.
I love to get away to remote places like this to fuel my passion for fly fishing and adventure photography, and to help encourage young people to grow stronger and be more confident. To get to places like this and return with confidence requires the right gear.
For enthusiasts like Chad, these are places that require a truck, a truly capable truck to get you there. The first ever Sierra AT4X delivers extreme off-road capability in a rugged yet ultra-premium package. The AT4X builds upon the success of the wildly popular AT4, which is attracting new and younger customers to GMC. In fact, over half of AT4 buyers are new to the brand. From a design perspective, compared to the popular AT4, the AT4X is even more bold and expressive. This rugged and tough design may hint at what the AT4X can do, but it's what's under the skin that gives the truck its exceptional off-road capabilities. The AT4X also has a 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers 420 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque, along with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The truck also includes an enhanced 2-speed transfer case with selectable modes for different off-road conditions. Chad and his crew can go just about anywhere they want to. Off-road mode provides precise throttle control through unique StabiliTrak settings. This allows for a bit more wheel slip to help get through gravel or muddy terrain. And 4-low with terrain mode is ideal for low-speed off-road conditions, which require extreme control and precision. Once in 4-low and terrain mode, the truck's one-pedal driving really makes challenging off-roading situations much easier to tackle. No, that doesn't mean there's just one pedal. What one-pedal driving means is as soon as you let off the gas pedal, the truck begins slowing down. It can even slow the truck to a complete stop. Off-roading can be complicated and highly technical, like when you need to position a wheel on a rock or maneuver around obstacles in tight spaces. One-pedal driving gives drivers precise control of the vehicle to instill confidence and composure when the trails get really tough and challenging. There's also a new electronic precision shift system, which is paired with paddle shifters on the steering wheel. These paddle shifters make switching between levels a breeze, even easier for novices and experienced off-roaders alike. The truck also features electronic locking differentials, or e-lockers, on both front and rear wheels. These e-lockers are perfect when you encounter loose off-road surface conditions, which are pretty common in places like these. If one of the wheels is unable to gain traction, the front and rear e-lockers ensure that maximum power is put into all wheels, limiting slip. There are even available rock sliders for people who off-road in the most punishing conditions. The Sierra AT4X also features Multimatic DSSV aluminum body performance shocks, which were developed on the most demanding racetracks. They are specifically engineered, developed, and tested for the Sierra. These babies use spool valves that deliver incredible suspension dampening performance. I could get technical, but let me just cut to the chase. The AT4X performs like a confident off-road truck on the trails while still providing a smooth ride on the pavement. The perfect balance of extreme off-road capability and premium comfort. And when it comes time to tow, with GMC's renowned pro-grade trailering technologies available 14 camera views, that lets people like Chad take on serious towing with ultimate confidence. The new Sierra AT4X takes GMC's commitment to being bold, capable, and precisely crafted to the next level. Look at these cool high-contrast design elements. There's jet black full-grain leather throughout the interior with ceramic white and red accents. It's all accented with a black finished ash wood trim. And the leather also has these embossed technical graining accents and even a high-performance coating for durability. The AT4X also offers many features like the ones I talked about with the Denali Ultimate, like the 12.3-inch driver information center, the 13.4-inch center touchscreen with Google built in, the 12-speaker Bose premium surround audio system, and those great 16-way adjustable power massaging seats. The new Sierra AT4X delivers the perfect balance of on-road composure with extreme off-road capability. It's just as home on long trips on the highway as it is out here in the wild during Chad's overlanding adventures. Best of all, it delivers an exceptional and refined experience wherever you need to go.
It's all about getting away to remote places like this to help encourage young people to grow and become environmental ambassadors. The more remote, the better, to bring us together for some incredible experiences.
GMC is a family of purpose-built professional-grade vehicles designed and engineered to the highest standard. And with the new 2022 Sierra's unrivaled technology, first-class luxury, and serious capability, it's a family positioned to soar to even greater heights.